Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video one. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option, so let's tap. And here we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got UHD, FHD and HD option applied, and maybe not applied but available, and all of them are with 30 frames per second. So right now currently we've got FHD option, and in order to change it simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see it immediately changes, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution because it has been immediately applied. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.